Social networks, take three, 1.
This is the Legal View with Farah Farah. I'm Chuck Farah, and with me today is my partner Eddie Farah. And today we're going to talk about online social networks and how these networks can wreck your case.
That's right, Chuck. Insurance companies view these online social networks as a breeding ground for information that can really hurt your personal injury case. You want to always make sure that you look at your friends list to make sure you know who is trying to become your friend, so that you don't get someone from the insurance company or from the person that is defending the case that you have filed who's trying to get access to your online social network. Chuck, I know there's some other stuff that you've encountered in some of these cases. Would you like to share some of that with us?
Yes, I mean, it's important that you set your privacy settings so that unwanted viewers cannot access your page. That's very important. Even though the laws is not real clear about whether the court will force an injured party to turn over their Facebook passwords and so forth, but there's a roundabout way to get the information, and that's posing as friends, like you mentioned. And a good way to prevent that is the privacy settings must be engaged. Another thing you want to remember to do is not post any photographs that may be inconsistent with your personal injury case. Photographs are fine as long as they depict someone acting within their restrictions given by the doctor. Those are two of the more important things to remember when you're dealing with social networks. And also be careful what friends you're allowing to enter into your site. Make sure you know who you're dealing with, who you're accepting, because again, you could have investigators that work for the other side, or even lawyers who work for the other side that may be posing as a friend to gain access into the account.
Yeah, but don't even let your friends post photographs of you that they can tag that other people can have access to. And a lot of times we've seen cases where people, like you said, Chuck, are engaging in activities that they've testified that they can't engage in. And I know people have good days and bad days, and sometimes people, when they're taking the medication or are better and can do some things, because people just don't want to sit around. But on a Facebook type page, that kind of evidence can be very damaging to your case.